Here at Livermore, we have devised a revolutionary power system. It can be used anywhere or in the middle of nowhere. Gyrosole, one of the most efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly power systems on the planet. The same technology that enabled the great industrial revolution, steam, will now revolutionize the way we power our lives, the way we make electricity, the way we heat and cool our homes. In the developing world, other features of the Gyrosole system become even more important. Improving basic living conditions and saving lives by providing desalination, cleaning of water supplies, pumping and moving water where needed, exploiting steam for cleaning, cooking, sterilization, and providing refrigeration. Gyrosole can be a vital tool for humanitarian efforts. Here at the ranch, we have all the tools we need to develop the Gyrosole system so that it can be commercialized. Here's how it works. First, we've designed an engine that runs on steam. But unlike other engines, we have designed out the need for dirty internal lubricants, oils, grease. We've designed out the contamination issues. This engine automatically adjusts itself to operate at optimal efficiency, no matter what the pressure of the steam coming in or the steam going out. The Gyrosole engine is extremely versatile. It can run on any local source of energy: solar, biomass, or fossil fuels. In addition, we've devised a simple and inexpensive way to store solar energy, providing power as needed, even at night. These innovations can help us attain our energy independence goals using clean, renewable energy sources. Overall, sources of energy in the U.S. only deliver 42% of the power they create to the user. The other 58% is wasted, unused, and ends up simply heating the planet. In contrast, Gyrosole technology is extraordinarily efficient. It can convert over 90% of the energy of natural gas to electricity, doubling the efficiency of centralized power plants. Is it cost-effective? Yes. For the price of a furnace upgrade, a typical home, now heated with natural gas, can be converted to Gyrosole technology to generate electricity as well as provide heating. The Gyrosole engine is so inexpensive, less than $300, that it can pay for itself within a year. The low-cost nature of Gyrosole makes it ideally suited for humanitarian purposes, to help those living in developing nations to improve basic living conditions. Gyrosole, clean, renewable, efficient, inexpensive, and independent energy.